Green tea, a beverage enjoyed for centuries, is often touted for its health benefits. Originating from China, this ancient drink has made its way into the daily routines of millions around the world. Its delicate flavor and soothing aroma make it a favorite among tea enthusiasts. But beyond its pleasant taste, green tea is often celebrated for its potential health-boosting properties. One claim that consistently surfaces is its potential to aid in weight loss. Many people turn to green tea as a natural solution to help manage their weight. The idea is appealing, a simple, natural beverage that could help you shed those extra pounds. But how much truth is there to this claim? But can a simple cup of tea really help you shed pounds? The notion seems almost too good to be true. After all, weight loss is a complex process influenced by numerous factors, including diet, exercise, and genetics. So, where does green tea fit into this equation? Be sure to like and subscribe for more as we explore this question. The answer, like many things in nutrition, isn't a simple yes or no. Green tea contains compounds like catechins and caffeine, which are believed to have a role in boosting metabolism and increasing fat oxidation. However, the effects can vary greatly from person to person. While green tea does possess properties that could contribute to weight management, it's not a magic bullet. Drinking green tea alone is unlikely to result in significant weight loss. It should be viewed as a complementary addition to a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. This essay will delve into the scientific evidence, explore how green tea interacts with our metabolism, and discuss its overall health implications. We'll look at various studies and expert opinions to provide a comprehensive understanding of what green tea can and cannot do for weight loss. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind the green tea weight loss question. Numerous studies have investigated the link between green tea consumption and weight loss. The interest in green tea as a potential weight loss aid has been growing steadily over the years. Researchers have been keen to understand whether the compounds found in green tea, such as catechins and caffeine, can indeed help people shed those extra pounds. The journey of green tea from a traditional beverage to a modern-day health elixir is fascinating and worth exploring in detail. Some research suggests that green tea, particularly when combined with caffeine, may slightly boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. This means that the body might burn fat more efficiently when green tea is consumed regularly. The combination of catechins and caffeine is believed to be responsible for this effect. Catechins are a type of antioxidant that can help in breaking down excess fat, while caffeine is known to enhance energy expenditure. Together, they might offer a small but significant boost to your metabolic rate. A meta-analysis published in the International Journal of Obesity reviewed 14 studies and found that green tea consumption was associated with a modest reduction in body weight and body mass index. This meta-analysis is significant because it combines the results of multiple studies, providing a more comprehensive understanding of green tea's potential benefits. The findings suggest that while green tea may not be a magic bullet for weight loss, it can contribute to a healthier weight when included as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. However, it's crucial to note that many of these studies used high doses of green tea extract, which is far more potent than what you'd get from drinking a few cups of tea daily. Green tea extract is a concentrated form of the beverage, often used in research to ensure consistent and measurable results. While drinking green tea can be beneficial, relying solely on it for weight loss might not yield dramatic results. It's always best to combine green tea consumption with other healthy habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, to achieve the best outcomes. Green tea contains bioactive compounds called catechins, with epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, being the most abundant and well-studied. EGCG is believed to enhance metabolism by increasing the activity of norepinephrine, a hormone that helps burn fat. Furthermore, green tea may inhibit an enzyme that breaks down norepinephrine, thereby prolonging its effects. This combined action could potentially contribute to increased calorie expenditure and fat burning. However, the magnitude of these effects is generally small, and individual responses may vary significantly. Green tea's potential benefits extend far beyond weight management. It's rich in antioxidants, which protect our cells against damage from free radicals, harmful molecules linked to aging and chronic diseases. Studies have linked green tea consumption to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It may also have anti-inflammatory effects and improve brain function. While more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits, Incorporating green tea into a healthy lifestyle certainly has its perks. Not a magic potion, a realistic view. It's important to emphasize that green tea is not a magic potion for weight loss. While it may offer a slight metabolic edge, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Don't expect to lose significant weight just by drinking green tea. Its effects are most pronounced when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes calorie control and physical activity. Caffeine considerations. Green tea naturally contains caffeine, albeit in lower amounts than coffee. While caffeine can provide a temporary energy boost and potentially enhance metabolism, it's essential to be mindful of your intake. Excessive caffeine consumption can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other side effects. If you're sensitive to caffeine, it's best to enjoy green tea in moderation, especially in the evening. Green tea and medications. A word of caution. Green tea can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, stimulants, and some antidepressants. The catechins in green tea can interfere with the absorption or metabolism of these drugs. If you're taking any medications, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating green tea into your diet. They can advise you on potential interactions and recommend safe consumption levels. Choosing your green tea wisely. Not all green teas are created equal. The quality and processing methods can influence the concentration of beneficial compounds. Opt for high-quality, loose-leaf green tea whenever possible. Avoid bottled green tea drinks, which often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients that can negate any potential health benefits. Brewing your own green tea at home gives you control over the ingredients and brewing strength. The bottom line, sip smartly. So, can green tea really help you shed pounds? The idea that green tea can aid in weight loss has been around for quite some time. Many people believe that drinking green tea can help boost metabolism and burn fat. But how much of this is true and how much is just wishful thinking? The evidence suggests it might offer a modest assist, but it's far from a weight loss miracle. Studies have shown that green tea can increase fat burning and boost metabolic rate, but the effects are relatively small. You won't see dramatic weight loss results just by drinking green tea alone. Green tea's true strength lies in its numerous health benefits, including its antioxidant properties and potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, can help protect your cells from damage and may lower the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Incorporate it into a balanced diet and active lifestyle for optimal well-being. Drinking green tea can be a part of a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a helpful addition to your overall wellness routine. Remember, there's no quick fix for weight loss. Sustainable weight loss requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Green tea can support your efforts, but it won't do all the work for you. Focus on sustainable lifestyle changes for lasting results. Instead of looking for quick fixes or miracle solutions, aim for long-term changes that you can maintain. This includes finding physical activities you enjoy and making healthier food choices. And enjoy your cup of green tea for its refreshing taste and potential health-boosting properties. Whether you drink it hot or iced, green tea can be a delightful and beneficial part of your daily routine. So, sip smartly and savor the many benefits that this ancient beverage has to offer.
Are you tired of those dreadful diets that leave you craving sugar and feeling like you've been on a starvation roller coaster? Listen up. We're diving into the world of coffee and how this glorious beverage can help you shed those unwanted pounds. Get ready to discover how to enjoy your daily cuppa while kicking those stubborn fat cells to the curb. So, buckle up, grab your favorite mug, and get ready for a caffeine-fueled adventure to a slimmer, healthier you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this to help you lose weight and stay your healthiest. First up, we've got green coffee. This isn't your average cup of joe, folks. We're talking about coffee in its purest form, raw and unroasted, bursting with natural goodness. Green coffee beans are packed with this magical compound called chlorogenic acid. Think of it as a secret weapon against those stubborn fat cells. This chlorogenic acid is a natural fat burner, working its magic by slowing down the release of glucose into your bloodstream. This means fewer cravings, less fat storage, and more energy to power through your day. Green coffee also gives your metabolism a swift kick, boosting your body's natural fat-burning engine. So if you're serious about shedding those extra pounds, green coffee is your new best friend. Next up, we have the undisputed champion of the coffee world, black coffee. No frills, no sugary nonsense, just pure, unadulterated coffee goodness. First off, black coffee is practically calorie-free. That's right, you can indulge in this bold brew without feeling an ounce of guilt. But here's the real kicker. Black coffee is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals that can stall your weight loss progress. Antioxidants clear out toxins, leaving your body feeling fresh and ready to take on the world. Black coffee also gives your metabolism a boost, helping you burn calories even when you're lounging on the couch. So ditch those sugary, calorie-laden drinks and embrace the power of black coffee. It's the no-nonsense, straight-to-the-point approach to weight loss that actually delivers results. Bulletproof coffee fueling your body for fat loss. Now we dive into the world of bulletproof coffee, a unique blend designed to help you shed those extra pounds while keeping you energized throughout the day. For those who like their coffee with a kick, let me introduce you to Bulletproof Coffee. This isn't just any ordinary cup of joe, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and energy. This is coffee on a mission to obliterate those fat cells and keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Imagine starting your day with a beverage that not only wakes you up, but also fuels your body to burn fat more efficiently. We're talking about combining freshly brewed coffee with healthy fats like MCT oil and a dollop of unsalted butter. These ingredients work together to create a creamy, delicious drink that supports your weight loss goals. MCT oil is like rocket fuel for your brain and body, providing an instant energy boost without spiking your blood sugar levels. It's derived from coconut oil and is known for its ability to enhance cognitive function and increase metabolic rate. The butter adds a creamy texture and helps you feel fuller for longer, keeping cravings at bay. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. By combining healthy fats with coffee, you're telling your body to use fat as its primary source of fuel. This metabolic shift can lead to more efficient fat burning and sustained energy levels. So if you're looking to supercharge your weight loss journey, Bulletproof Coffee is the way to go. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling great and having the energy to tackle your day with enthusiasm. It's the ultimate morning ritual for those who demand the best from their coffee and their body. Start your day with Bulletproof Coffee and experience the difference it can make in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Matcha Latte, the antioxidant powerhouse. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy your daily latte, it's time to embrace the vibrant green goodness of a matcha latte. This delightful beverage is not only visually appealing, but also packed with numerous health benefits that make it a superior choice over traditional lattes. Matcha is finely ground powder made from specially grown green tea leaves, packed with antioxidants and a unique earthy flavor. The process of shading the tea plants before harvest increases the chlorophyll content, giving matcha its vibrant green color and enhancing its nutritional profile. Matcha is bursting with antioxidants, specifically catechins, which fight off free radicals that can hinder your weight loss efforts. These powerful antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Matcha contains EGCG, a compound shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Studies have indicated that EGCG can enhance thermogenesis, the body's rate of burning calories, making matcha an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Combine it with your choice of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and you've got a creamy, delicious latte that's good for you. Whether you prefer almond, soy, oat, or traditional cow's milk, each option pairs beautifully with the rich, earthy taste of matcha. So, ditch those sugary, artificial lattes and treat yourself to a matcha latte. By choosing matcha, you're opting for a beverage that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also supports your health and wellness goals. It's the perfect way to indulge your latte cravings while giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon treat, and feel good knowing you're nourishing your body with every sip. Cinnamon coffee. Spice up your life and your metabolism. Last but not least, we have cinnamon coffee. Adding a dash of spice to your morning cuppa can yield delicious results. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also brings a host of health benefits that can transform your daily routine. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing cravings and energy crashes. This means you can maintain a steady level of energy throughout the day, avoiding those mid-morning slumps and afternoon fatigue. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing inflammation that can hinder weight loss. Inflammation is often an unseen barrier to achieving your fitness goals, and cinnamon can help you overcome this obstacle. By adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your coffee, you're giving your metabolism a soothing massage, helping it work more efficiently. This simple addition can make a significant difference in how your body processes food and burns calories. Cinnamon adds a warm, comforting flavor to your coffee, making it the perfect drink to start your day. Imagine waking up to the inviting aroma of cinnamon coffee, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. So, ditch those artificial sweeteners and flavorings and embrace the natural goodness of cinnamon coffee. Artificial additives can have hidden calories and chemicals that do more harm than good. It's the perfect way to indulge your coffee cravings while giving your body the support it needs to shed those extra pounds. Plus, it's a delightful treat that feels indulgent without the guilt. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you with every sip. Each cup of cinnamon coffee is a step towards better health and well-being, making your mornings not just a routine, but a ritual of self-care. Now that we've gone through the top 5 coffees for weight loss, here's an exciting bonus tip to take your morning brew to the next level. Have you ever wished your coffee could do even more for your metabolism and energy levels? Well, that's where Java Burn comes in. Java Burn is a revolutionary, tasteless supplement you simply mix into your coffee. It's packed with natural ingredients like green tea extract, L-theanine, and chromium, all scientifically designed to supercharge your metabolism, curb your cravings, and help you burn fat throughout the day, all while sipping your favorite coffee. What's amazing about Java Burn is how effortlessly it fits into your routine. You don't have to change your diet or give up the coffee you already love. Just add Java Burn to your morning cup and let it do the work while you go about your day. If you're serious about achieving your weight loss goals faster and more efficiently, Java Burn is a game changer. And the best part? You can get started today. Click the link in the description below to grab your supply of Java Burn now and transform your coffee into a powerful, fat-burning beverage. So these were the top 5 coffees that'll have you feeling energized, focused, and well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Experiment, find what works best for you, and remember, consistency is key. Now go forth and conquer your day with a newfound confidence and a steaming cup of your favorite weight loss coffee. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this to help you lose weight and stay your healthiest. And if you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, watch this next video